if you don't feed squirrel to your raw-fed dog, you should consider it. It is a really good protein, and these squirrels, these are fox squirrels, and these are considerably larger than the gray squirrel that you find in a lot of areas in the eastern United States. These are in Texas, and these are really big. These are about, I don't know, I'd say 2.5 pounds or so. But it's a really nice red meat, and it's good eating for your dogs. Here he is, all skinned out, and I got the guts out. I just clean out the intestines and stomach, bladder and all that, and so he's got the lungs and the heart and the spleen. The spleen's tiny, and the kidneys, of course. But you can grind this, or you can feed it as is. I like to grind them just because my male, he just plays with them. So I don't know what the deal is, but I've even found a dried squirrel leg like up at my pillow. So anyway, this is nice red meat. There's nothing wrong with it. You know, as usual, freeze any wild game for 3 weeks at least, and you're good to go.